Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to create image classification model with the help of TensorFlow library that is developed by Google. These are the libraries I am using for model training. I am using Minist digit images for model training, that is Minist. Then I am define my parameters for model. After that I am defining my graph inputs x and y, which have containing shape of x containing shape of 28 28 and number of rows, and in y I am passing my digit number of classes. After that I am passing my weights and biases for model. I am passing number of classes and number of hidden of filters. I'm passing 128, and I am defining my RNN method, which I am passing my shape x layer shape. I am defining in a placeholder timestamp of shape of 128, and I am passing 1, and using basic LSTM model for image classification, passing number of hidden layers is 128. After that I am using LSTM output in static RNN as an input with a type of x in a placeholder I mentioned above, in data type of float. In return method of return type, I'm using matrix multiplication method, which I'm passing output and weight and biases I mentioned above. Okay, then I defining my optimizer loss functions. Basically I'm using loss function is softmax, that is provide best outputs for image classification and other tasks for classification basically, and passing my labels y I mentioned. Then I'm using gradient optimizer, that is best for model training. I'm passing learning rate 0.01. Then minimize the loss functions. After that I initialize all variables that I mentioned above before the start the session. In session I initialize all the variables before the sessions. After that I am initializing the loop, where I am passing my mini dataset by batches with the batches of 128. Then reshape the data set by shape of number of rows I am having 128, the shape of 28 column, the 28 columns, and the passing the session dot run when training options, and passing dictionary, where I am passing up my batches of 128 and by labels of 128. And after that conditions, where I am passing my accuracy of loss function with dictionary in x and y. After that I am also testing with my Minist dataset images. Now I am going to run this script. It will take time. First of all, you download the dataset from online. As you can see in the first step, the loss function is 3 point something and training accuracy is 7%. It will increase every epoch or every iterations. I'm passing number of steps is 20,000. I mentioned above there. It take time, so wait. As you can see, after 7% it increases the accuracy around 22%, and loss rate also decreasing from 3.4 to 2.2. As you can see, other step is decreasing loss function and increasing accuracy. It will take time, so I will pause the video. As you can see, it provides testing accuracy around 97. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.